Meaning of de-ice.
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 De-ice. The term de-ice refers to the process of removing ice or frost from a surface. This is commonly done on airplanes, cars, and roads during cold weather. The result of de-icing is a surface that is free of ice or frost, which can improve safety and prevent accidents. De-icing is typically accomplished using a variety of methods, including chemical sprays, heat, and mechanical means such as scraping or brushing. Effective de-icing can help ensure that transportation services continue to operate efficiently and safely, even in harsh winter conditions.